Welcome to the future of in-car entertainment and connectivity with the AutoTOCAST TV Mate car adapter, model CA361. With the AutoTOCAST CA361, transforming your car into a smart entertainment hub is as easy as plug and play. Stream your favorite shows, movies, and music from all major platforms directly on your car's infotainment system. Keep your passengers entertained on those long road trips with seamless streaming and crystal clear playback. Stay hands-free and safe with built-in voice control. Just say the word and let the AutoTOCAST CA361 do the rest. Navigate, stream, and stay connected without missing a beat. The AutoTOCAST CA361 supports all your favorite apps and ensures smooth multitasking. Its compact and sleek design seamlessly blends with any car interior, while its powerful performance ensures you never experience lag or buffering. Compatible with a wide range of car models, the AutoTOCAST CA361 is the ultimate upgrade for any vehicle. Experience the ultimate in-car entertainment and connectivity with the AutoTOCAST TV Mate car adapter, model CA361. AutoTOCAST CA